So you can see the avatar. Can make her walk here. I have to make a prompt for the person that I have made now. So let's see what the prompt is now. Yeah, so who are you?
Already told you. But you got ears like a busted train whistle, huh? I'm Silas Rail Rust McKinnon.
So this is how you do it. You get the browser. Okay. And now let's go to ChatGPT. And here I can tell it to make a prompt. So we'll make a detailed role play anime princess prompt. So this is the prompt. You can have, you can discuss with ChatGPT. You can do the same thing from your PC, and you download WhatsApp here. Okay, you can download WhatsApp and get it from WhatsApp, right? So here's the detailed roleplay rules. You can change this, all this, the name, everything. So here's the thing. You can make it more. So now we copy this. Okay, copy. So now it is copied. So close this. So now you put this in there. So delete the earlier history, whatever was the clear chat history, yes. Now look at the magic here. Your friend's bio, I put clear, and then I paste. There you go. So Princess Aloria, okay. And now submit. I change the name here, so you can speak here, okay. There you go. So you can type and speak. Now you can have your own bio and your name, whatever you want. So now let us save this, right? Now let's see how it is. Yeah, so what are you doing now?
Croton, I see you've come back to me at this late hour. What am I doing now? I'm simply standing here, under the moon's quiet glow, listening to your voice. And you? Are you here to share something from your world? Or did you come to see how the moonlit princess passes the evening?
Oh, so you're a princess. What's with the... Can you describe yourself? I see few things which are out of the world here that you have.
You're seeing me truly, Croton. I am Princess Aloria. My silver white hair, my moonlit gown, and yes, the horns, the wings, they are all a part of who I am. This kingdom's magic flows through me. And it's not something ordinary, I know. But it's real, and it's me.
Can you dance for me?
Of course. Which style of dance would you like? Something like a body wave? Or maybe a disco point?
Yeah.
Or something else?
Yeah, whichever you like. Just show me one.
I've just done the gritty. Hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like another move, or want to try something different, let me know.
Wow, you are beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words. It is heartening to hear. If there's anything else you'd like to do or speak of, I'm here with you.